Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the new Mavic Air which arrived yesterday. Here's the case, feels very nice in the hands, very solid to protect the drone. Wow, that does look a very neat package. So to unfold it, you first pull out the rear legs and flip them over, and then the front legs just flip out like so. Spare set of propellers, blade guards, lots of instructions. This is the controller. Feels very solid in the hand. The control sticks are actually under here. So you pop them out and attach them like so. So that's the controller. The charger, which includes 2 USB ports if you want to charge anything else up via USB at the same time. UK plug. A set of leads, so you can use either a USB type C connector, a mini USB, or the one that's already on the controller, which is the lightning connector. An adapter and 2 spare control sticks.